All right, class, now let's make a bar graph with the variables that we're looking at. So whenever we do a graph of a lot of data, we typically do the average. So all you need to do is highlight both of these, go up here to insert, if it would click for me, right here, bar graph or bar graph or column, chart, whatever. Click on that 2D column. I mean, you could do a fancy 3D one, but 2D ones are plenty sufficient for this class, and they're typically a little bit more scientific, at least scientifically looking. That's how you make a bar graph. You can title it whatever you want. Push-ups. Well, uh, yeah, we'll just leave this untitled right now. I typically like to take these lines off, so I just click on it and then I press the backspace or delete button. Now, things you can do with this graph, you can add chart elements. So you can add axis titles, so primary vertical title. Some we would want to do push-ups, because that is the variable that we're actually messing with. So push-ups right there. You can alter the size of that font if you want to. So making up to about 14 there. Good stuff. Now, something else that we can do is we can add error bars. So whenever we have a standard deviation, we would like to add these error bars. So these will just do kind of standard error bars, and that's not really what we want. We want a specific error that goes along with our standard deviation. So normally what we like to do is just do the plus if it's on a bar graph here where it says error amount. You can do a fixed value, percentage, all of that. We want to do custom. So we want to click on custom and then specify the value. So click on that. How I did that, I clicked on this first one, I held down the control key or command key if you're on a Mac, and then I clicked on the second one. Then I pressed OK, and then there we go. Do you see how they're different lengths? So this first one, plus or minus 9.5. This next one, plus or minus 14.93. And that is how you make a bar graph with standard deviations. Good.